80. 80 is worth it. Wala pa kayo naman. Nice. Here you go. Okay. Ito, sure na ako. Sure na ako. Gabi. Gabi taga 5. Alright. So audience, kailangan ko lang nagtulong ninyo. Ang score today is 18. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
You are ready. And audience, one last time. Tulungan niyo ako sila. The longest breath is me.
Boys, another
Bigay mo ng ating mga premyo. So, meron silang flavor galing sa Momo. Can you help me with this? Thank you, brother man. Winner! Congratulations! Bigyan na natin lahat. Guys, here's the thing. Kapag wala kayo nagpapagames, lahat kayo panalo. So, bibigyan ko lahat ng premyo lahat ng dito. Special thanks to our sponsor. Alright! Para may chicha kayo habang thank you. Thank you, Momo. Thank you. Chips a lot. There we go. Meron ba? I think we got more. Oh, sige. Okay na yan. Guys, picture tayo. Picture. There we go. Alright, thank you so much. At palapakan natin ating mga lovely players. Thank you. Alright. So, again, we would like to thank everyone for being here today and make sure to maximize our event hall right now. And meron tayong mga freebies coming from our generous sponsors right there. And big plug lang po. Why is it? Papasalamatan lang natin ang ating mga sponsors. Ito ang aking cheat code. We would like to thank Tolak Akin, Pit Bar, Mogu, Nirvana, 7-Eleven, Chips Alive, Sarapi Boy, and also Chips Alive, Brownies, Fabio, and also Medicine, Smiley, and Egg Bites, Pom Pom Car Express, Blue Shield, B-Shield, and also Wonder Bee, Elixir Placenta, and many more. And Music Mix, for our sound system today, para naman natin ang sound system today together sa lights natin. Diba? Salamat. And of course, this is just a pre-show game and you will be seeing more action this afternoon. At saka maraming mga musika puno na puso na pwede rin yung marinig ngayon. And we are inviting everyone yung nasa itaas na makikay dito. You guys are welcome. This is pwede kayo pumunta yung mga bakante, mga kukuha. It's for free. And pwede nyo rin mag-try ang ating mga sponsors. And again, maraming salamat guys for being here. Palapan, hindi naman yung mga sarili for being here today. Thank you. Nasa ibang lugar kayo sana pero you chose to be here celebrating with us. Ano yan? Isa bang game? Okay na yun. Mamaya ulit. Okay. So, I'll be right back and relax. And also, make sure to like Voice Academy of the Philippines over their social media pages kapag meron kayong mga photos na you think na IG worthy, Facebook worthy, make sure to tag us up. And of course, sort it out. Quick vlog. Share ko lang. Nag-start pala ako ng full vlog, guys. Ayun, bakit ko lang i-follow. Nagpa-cover kami ng mga hidden spot around Metro Manila. Ang pangalan niya ay Alas Tres. And make sure to follow nyo kami. Don't worry, it's a good one. It's a huge, marami siyang mga surprises around. And we also do invite people to come over. Yun lang. Quick vlog. Then, again, maraming salamat. I'll see you guys later. Ako si Miguel Cristal and I'm your pre-show game host for this afternoon. Cheers. See you guys later. Bye.
guys, nandun ngayon tayo sa Robinson Antipolo guys. Ito ganda oh. So guys, hanggang dito na lang muna guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo.